Alright, we're going to do another example from that comparing datasets lesson. I'm going to give you a 2 for 1 in this one, so it'll be good, nice and quick. Okay, so first we're doing these parallel box plots, which are on your screen down that way. I don't remember where I put the camera, but anyway. So it says the display of distribution in pulse rates beats per minute for a group of female students versus a group of males. Use the information, compare center, spread, outliers, etc. Okay, so we're comparing center, spread, and outliers in this one. What we're going to do first is we're going to say they're females, they're males. We're going to find median, Q1, Q3, IQR. Yeah. So the median for females looks to be approximately 72. Males 65. I'm just reading this purely off this as well. Q1 for females looks to be 65. Males 60. Q3 females 80. Males are 70. So the IQR for females is 15. For males it's 10. So from this you would say the median, what is it, beats per minute? Heart rates, it would be heart rates of males is lower at 65 beats per minute than females at 72 beats per minute. Okay, and then we'll comment on spread next. So you'd say the heart rate of males are less variant or less spread at an IQR of 10 compared to females at 15. Okay, so I've commented on center and spread, and it also says to mention outliers. I usually throw that in with spread, so I'll say however, males had outliers at 40 and 120 beats per minute respectively. I think that's how you use that phrase. So it's saying that there's 2 individual data points that were both outliers. Then you just wrap it up with a conclusion. You would say, in conclusion, despite outliers, probably not the best way to put it, or including outliers, males beats per minute were lower and less variant than females. Than the females. Alright, so that's the first one done. Next one, we're looking at a stem and leaf plot, and we've got to talk about whether a growth hormone works. I'm just trying to get that paper in shot. Hopefully that works. Yeah, that's pretty good. Right. So we're looking at a growth hormone. So it's prepare parallel box plots and draw conclusions on the data. Okay, so we're going to find the Q1, the Q3, etc. All right. So let's find min, Q1, Q2, Q3, max. I'll put in one for outliers. And we'll do the two groups. So we've got B and A. Alright, so group A, we're given a special growth hormone. Rightio. Doesn't say how many chickens there are either, so I have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 chickens. That sounds right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good. So 16 chickens. So if I'm looking for the median, I add 1 to that and divide it by 2, which will give me 8.5 for the median value. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Halfway between those two gives me 0.75. Is that right? Yeah, 0.75. And for A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got two kegs. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't be right. Oh, I'm going this way. That's why. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1 divided by 2 gives you 4. So my fourth value, 1, 2, 3, 4. My Q1 is 0.5. My Q3 is 1, 2, 3. Have I done this wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've stuffed this up. Alright, anyway, let me double check this median. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, these are right. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Because 8.5. That's why my median's not there. It should be 0.8. That's where I stuffed up. Alright, teachers make mistakes too, as you know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values. Plus 1 is 9, which gives me 4.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my Q1 stays the same anyway, so it's not too big a deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My max is 1. So I'll just rewrite this whole thing. Alright, and now I'll do my other side. So I think that was mine originally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was that gap there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1 and divided by 2 gives me 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our Q1 is 1.7. Our Q3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 gives me 2.3. So I know I'm talking to myself a lot. If you're not too sure how to do the 5-figure summary, maybe go back to the old lesson. I realize that I am doing a lot of working out and you might not be following along, so I apologize for that. I'll keep going. Okay, so I'm going to check if there's any outliers. I'm not so sure there will be. So to check for outliers, remember you do Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. Maybe I'll do IQR first. IQR, low fence and upper fence. I've got a lot of stats here. Alright, so the IQR of this one is 0.5. 0.5 to find the lower fence, I times it by 1.5 and I minus it away, so it's like a negative number. It's like something like that. Not really worth my time. The upper fence is Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, so that's plus 0.75 on there, so it's 1.75. So no outliers, which is good. For this one, our IQR is 0.6, which means the lower fence is 0.6 times 1.5, which is 0.9, subtracted away from that, which gives us 0.6, so that's fine. And our upper one is 2.3, 2.3 plus 0.9, which gives me 3.2. Alright, so there's no outliers, which is good. Makes it nice and easy. So our min for this, 0.4 and 0.8. Our max is 1.4 and 2.8. Alright, after all that, I'm finally going to draw a box plot. Sorry for draining your life. So I'll just have 0, 1, 2, and this can be up a little bit higher, so say 3. Okay, so we got that. So now we'll do our box plots. So we'll say that the black one can be A. I'll do it in 2 different colors so it's easier to see. The blue one can be B. So we'll do B first. We've got 0.4 is about halfway, so probably here. Then I've got my Q1 is 0.5, which is probably there. 0.8 is my median, and 1 is my upper quartile with my max at 1.4. So I'm just going to join all that up. There we go. And then I'll switch to black for my other group, whose minimum is 0.8, which is probably, well, it should be in line with their median line, so probably there. We got 1.7, which is probably up here somewhere. We got 2, 2.3. I realize I'm writing over my writing now, and 2.8. So I'm going to link all those up. Okay, there are 2 parallel box plots. Now I'm going to quickly comment, and then you won't have to listen to me anymore. So comment would be that group A had a higher median weight, which was 1.7 kegs, then group B at, median is 2 kilos, so not 1.7, 2 at 0.8 kilograms. Alright, group A was more spread, more variant, very slightly, with an IQR of 0.6 than group B at 0.5. I know I'm running out of room here, so I'm sort of scraping the bottom of the barrel, but then you would just comment on the overall effectiveness of the growth hormone. You would say, from this, you could say the hormone is effective, hormone is effective in median weight, and then I'll run out of room, but I would say something along the lines of, however, more variant. Alright, so you'd say it is more effective. The average or the median value of the median weight of the chickens is higher, but it's also, there's more variance to that. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video there so you don't have to listen to me anymore. Take it easy.